guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are working with LuvMe Hair. So shout out to LuvMe Hair for sponsoring today's video. They sent me this gorgeous, lovely kinky straight unit in 18 inches. I mean, lace wear. The inside of the wig came in with an elastic band and 3 clips, I believe. I went ahead and bleached the knots, and I also just used my hot comb and iron to mold my hair to the direction that I wanted. And baby, I tell you, when I put that wig on, that lace was giving everything. Okay, like it was just already looking a little bit melted. Now this is where everything kind of just went a little bit south, because your girl decided that she is gonna take a break from glue and just try the Got2b gel. Horrible idea, like horrible idea. It's a miracle that I managed to save this install, because wow, horrible idea. First of all, it took forever to dry. It wouldn't even dry clear. It was just a nightmare to work with. Like, I sat there with my hair dryer, like I sat there, but we got it together in the end, because you know, we were working with good lace. It kind of just saved me a little bit, because I didn't have to do much. Just put it on, put my elastic band on, and just let it melt through, baby. So like I mentioned, I sit there with my hair dryer. Okay, so I just cut my lace off camera, and I came back in with my hot comb to just kind of make sure that everything is sitting nicely. But I noticed that I overplucked on some spots, so you will see that I will go in with my eyeliner, I believe, with my eyeliner, and just filled in the spots that I overplucked.
No limit, got that masterpiece. No limit, baby. Give you that black car. No limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. No limit. I see murder that. No limit, baby. Give you that ghetto deep, girl. No limit. Just Just know when you're rolling a nigga.
Now this wig, right, this hair, this texture, this lace, like everything is just giving what it's supposed to give. Like, I just looked at this hair and decided right here and then that it wasn't enough. I was gonna try a little bit of more styles to see how it looks. It was so easy to work with, you guys. It is so soft. If you ever in the market for a kinky straight wig, trust me, this is the one. This is the one you need. And I'm not just saying that because it's a sponsored, but this, like, you can see for yourself, this was just a pleasure to work with. This is by far my favorite wig because it looks so natural. The lace just melts, like the hair is just flowy. Like, I can't rave about this hair enough. This is by far, I would say this is by far my favorite wig. Like, the quality, the lace, the volume, oh my god, like, there's so much that I can do with this hair, and I am so in love with it. So thank you once again to LuvMe Hair for sponsoring today's video. If you want to order this hair, please check out the description because all the links as well as the discounts will be in the description. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, girl, okay, please just kindly just subscribe to my channel and like this video. Also hit the subscription button so you never miss another upload from me, and I will surely catch you guys, my love, in my next upload. Stay tuned to see all the others, my other style. I did 2 other styles, yeah, so stay tuned to see all of that. And thank you so much for watching until the end. I will catch you guys next time. Bye, love.
Stepped off the golden, nobody cried, nobody even noticed. I saw them standing right there, kinda thought they might care.